Good morning, students. Today we have to discuss 7th standard poem. That name was Past, Present, Future. Past, Present, Future. This is the name of the poem. This poem had written by Emily Bronte. Emily Bront. That is the name of the poet. Emily Bront. She is a well-known novelist and well-known poet. She had written so many novels and also so many poems. That poems are related to the natures. This poem, Past, Present, Future, this poem also written by Emily Bront. This is a poem, this is a conversation between the poet and smiling child. Many times we are telling the story related to the nature, related to the songs, related to the class, related to the past time, different type of traditional story we are telling to our childs. This is a conversation between the smiling child and poet. That poet name was Emily Bront. They had described the conditions past time, they have described the condition in a present time, and they have described the condition in a future time. Means 3 times they had described the experience related to the smiling child. Which period is happy for you? Which period is happy for you? And which period is mournful, means sad? Which period is sad? And in the future, what type of planning in your life? Such type of questions asked by poet to smiling child. This is a conversation between the smiling child and poet. Now we discuss here first stanza, then second stanza, then third stanza. These are the 3 stanzas has written by poet. Now we discuss the first stanza. Tell me, smiling child, what the past is like to thee. An autumn evening, soft and mild, with a wind that sighs mournfully. Now we discuss here, tell me, smiling child. Who asked the questions? Who is telling first? A poet said that, tell me, smiling child. Now you are the laughing. Who said that? Poet said that. Now you are laughing. A smiling child, you tell me first what the past is like to thee. What the past like to thee. Thee, its meaning is a you. Its meaning is a you. This word is used in an old period, in an ancient period for you, and nowadays we are using thee for you. Listen, he said that what the past is like to thee means what type of experience had in a past time for you. Which type of experience in a past time you will tell first time to me. Means when you are living in the past time, that time some experience are the very happy and some experience is a very sad. Such type of experience, such type of incident you are telling to me at the first time. Then he said that an autumn evening, soft and mild, with a wind that sighed mournfully. This smiling child said that an autumn evening, soft and mild. If this autumn season is a soft and mild, this autumn season is a soft and mild. In that period, the trees had some leaves had fallen down from the trees, and that time these trees are without leaves. Such type of atmosphere had created in a autumn season. Such type of atmosphere in my life, in my past time. He said that soft and mild. Mild means it is a very soft. Mild means here it is a very soft. Its meaning is that in the autumn evening, all these leaves of tree had fallen down on the earth, and everywhere is a mournful atmosphere. Mournful atmosphere, its meaning is a sorrowful feeling. Its meaning is a sorrowful feeling. Means in that period, our atmosphere, our atmosphere is a totally mournful, that is a sorrowful feeling. Such type of pictures, such type of natural scenes had created in the nature. Such type of natural scenes, such type of natural places had created atmosphere, that is a mournful atmosphere, that is a sorrowful feelings atmosphere. Its meaning is that this smiling child said that the autumn seasons is a sorrowfully, such type of some events, some incidents are sorrowfully and some incidents are very, very happy. Who said that? Smiling child said that. To whom? That is a poet. Means when poet asked the questions, when poet said that, tell me at the first time, smiling child, what type of pastime for you? Then this boy said that, then his smiling child said that, autumn evening soft and mild, autumn evening soft and mild. In this way, with the help of the wind, some moments, some incidents are sorrowful, some incidents are very sad, and some incidents is a very, very happy. Such type of things he had described in the first stanza. Then we describe the second stanza. Tell me what is the present hour. Who said that? Who said that? Poet said that. At the first, second time you tell me what is the present hour. Nowadays, what type of conditions, what type of experience you are telling to me first time. Means nowadays, which type of atmosphere had created by the nature, or how to take an experience from this nature nowadays. Tell me what is the present hour. Then second, a green and flowery spray. A green and flowery spray. This smiling child said that nowadays atmosphere, now a present atmosphere, nowadays atmosphere or today's atmosphere is a very greenery and flowery. Greenery and flowery. Its meaning is that it is a very clean atmosphere, it is a very healthy atmosphere, it is a very satisfied atmosphere, it is a very happy atmosphere. Which type of atmosphere? In this year or in this day, green and flowery spray. Green and flowery spray. Its meaning is that is a very happy and greenery atmosphere where a young bird sits gathering its power. Line is that where a young bird sits gathering its power with a very powerfully, with a very eagerly, with a very enthusiastically. This young bird was always sitting on the branch of the tree and he was just singing a song. Such type of healthy atmosphere in a present time. Its meaning means young bird. Who is sitting there? A young bird always sits and gathering some birds, and with a gathering they are singing a happy song, and all the people they are listening properly and they will make a happy. Its meaning to mount and fly away. Some birds are there flying. Some birds are there flying here and there. They are going to here and there. They are wandering here and there. Therefore, we are the happy. We are observing this bird. We are watching this bird. We are watching the different type of birds. We are watching the different type of sounds of the bird. And therefore, we are the very, very happy in a present hour, in a present time, nowadays also. Listen, its meaning is that today we are sitting here. Today we are the very, very happy because of different type of birds with a very powerfully, with a very eagerly, they are sitting on the branch of the tree and they are singing a song. They are wandering here and there in the sky. They are flying from one tree to the another tree. In this way, they had created the happy atmosphere, very satisfied atmosphere, and therefore we are the living in a healthy life in a present hour. Therefore, we are the happy. Then third stanza, and what is the future happy one? A sea beneath a cloudless sun, a mighty, glorious, dazzling sea, stretching into infinity. Listen, the third stanza he said that, and what the future happy one? What what will you say about the future? What will you say about the future? What type of conditions will be happen in the future time, or which type of experience you will take in a future time? You will tell me first. And what is the future happy one? Means in the future who is happy? In the future who is unhappy at the first time? Then this boy said that a sea beneath a cloudless sun. Who is happy? Who is always happy? Who is always happy? First time he said that a sea beneath a cloudless sun. Beneath means under, चा खाली. Who a sea beneath a cloudless sun means when in the sky there is no cloud, without cloud, sun is rising. That time this sea was a very happy. It is a very powerful in a past time, in a present time, also in the future time. He is a very powerful, mighty. Mighty means it is a very powerful. He is a very glorious. He is a very prosperous. It is a very prosperous. Who was prosperous? Sea was prosperous in the future time. Then dazzling. Then a dazzling light. He always dazzling light. He always dazzling light in the days and night time also. Stretching into a infinity. Stretching into the infinity. Infinity stretching means to put something so that it becomes a long or wider. Means जितका दूर तुम्ही पाहणार, जितक्या दूर तुमची नजर जाणार, तितक्या दूर तो वाढत जाणार. म्हणजे त्याही पलीकडे, आपल्या नजरेच्याही पलीकडे तो इतका मोठा राहणार. दॅट इज अ स्ट्रेचिंग इनटू द इन्फिनिटी. इन्फिनिटी म्हणजे अनंत. त्याचं ज्याची लांबी आपण मोजू शकत नाही, ज्याच्या आकड्यामध्ये आपण मोजमाप करू शकत नाही, असं अनंत, इन्फिनिटी. Stretching into infinity. Stretching into infinity means this sea, this ocean, we cannot count its length and its width and height also. That is a space or time without end. In this way, this poet asked the questions related to the smiling child. He said that what is the planning or what is the experience in the future? Who is happy in the future? That time this smiling child said that who is happy? Sea. Only sea or ocean is unhappy, because under the cloudless sun, he is a very powerful, he is a very prosperous, he was a dazzling light, and therefore stretching into infinite. And this sea or ocean is a very happy in the future time. We discuss here the first stanza, then second stanza, then third stanza. In the first stanza, we listen related to the smiling child, some questions asked, some conversation about the past time. In the second stanza, the conversation about the present hour, and in the third stanza, the conversation about the future time. Means past, present and future. Which type of experience, which type of events or which type of experience will be happen in the past, present and future, that all these experiences had described in this poem. That is a related only smiling child. That is a related to only smiling child, past, present and future. In this way we have to discuss this poem. That name was Past, Present, Future, written by Emily Bront. Thank you so very much. Now we explain this poem Past, Present and Future. Now we understand the questions and answer. Link the items of the three columns properly. Here there are the three columns A, B and C. Three columns are there. In a column, past, present hour and future hour. In a B column, a sea beneath a cloudless sun, a soft and mild autumn evening, then a green and flowery spray where a young bird sat. In a C column, a pleasant time which has ended. In a an exciting, thrilling time which has no end, then a time full of life in which you gathered strength. According to this poem, we will write here the past first column, in the second column, a soft and mild autumn evening. Means before the past, you will write a soft and mild autumn evening. Then in a C column, you will write a pleasant time which has ended. In a present hour, a green and flowery spray where a young bird sit. Here in a C column, you will write an exciting, thrilling time which has no end. Then future, a sea beneath a cloudlet sun, and here a time full of life in which you gather strength. In this way, you will complete these columns. Then second questions, find the meaning of the following words. Here meaning D, its meaning is a you. Mournfully, its meaning is the sorrowful feelings. Then spray, here flowering plants. And here mighty means powerful. Next questions, write the adjectives that are used to describe the following. Means in this poem, some adjectives are used with a noun. These adjectives you will write here. Evening, we use autumn evening. Spray, that is a greenery and flowery spray. Sea, mighty, glorious and dazzling. These adjectives are used before the nouns. In this way, you will complete these questions. And another questions you will write. Write the explanation of the first stanza, second stanza and third stanza. Write the explanation in your words. First stanza, second stanza and third stanza. And also you will write some rhyming pairs. You will write these rhyming pairs of the first poem, second poem and first stanza, second stanza and third stanza. These three stanzas you will write these rhyming pairs. In this way, you will complete these questions and answers. Thank you so very much.